How to set side button, double press to open Samsung Notes and write with pen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. So after click on advanced features, so you will see click on side button. So after click on side button, so you will select long press and double press. So after click on double press, and you will see if you want to set Samsung Notes, so click on Samsung Note. So after click on Samsung Notes, and you will see write with pen is here, so click on write with pen. So after select write with pen, go back to home screen, refresh phone, and you will see hold phone and double press power side button. So after double press side button, you will see Samsung Note is open. So you will type anything from here. So after typing, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set side button, double press to open Samsung Notes with write with pen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.